One of the biggest improvements to the dual screen is the 360 freestop hinge. Before, there were probably 3 or 4 preset ways that you can use the hinge, but now with the 360 freestop, check this out. LG threw us a very nice curveball this year at IFA with the G8X ThinQ. Now, we weren't expecting them to do a refresh of the phone that they launched earlier this year at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, but they said they're going to refresh it again, and this is the newest edition. It's got a bigger screen, it is lighter, and it's got a couple other features that are an upgrade from what we saw earlier in the year. Now, with the dual screen add-on, what they did with the G8X is that they match a screen to the dual screen. So you're getting the same size, exact same screen, so you're getting the same colors, the same quality, everything. The front-facing camera, the selfie camera, the most important camera, they've upgraded that to 32 megapixels. And now the screen also attaches to the attachment screen with a USB-C, which is very nice and comfortable to use. Now, they've added this third screen. Let me get my makeup off the screen first. They've added a third screen, which is not a full screen. It's really just the top half, but it shows you the time, notifications. So it saves you the trouble of opening up the phone to see what is really going on. Some other features are that it has this very interesting camera mode. It's called ASMR mode. So when you're recording video or audio, when you press the ASMR mode, it will make the speakers even more sensitive, up by 10 decibels. So you can speak to it, you can do all your ASMR videos, because you know, we are obsessed with that. I definitely listen to a lot of ASMR videos when I'm trying to fall asleep. One of the biggest improvements to the dual screen is the 360 freestop hinge. Before, there were probably 3 or 4 preset ways that you can use the hinge, but now with the 360 freestop, check this out. Boom. So you can use it like a laptop. I mean, there's absolutely no obstacles now in how you want to make your screen look and how you want to hold it. It's very comfortable. But you know, sometimes they add things and they take away things. What I do appreciate is that they've kept the headphone jack. They did not take that away from us. So with the refresh of the G8 that we saw earlier this year, the G8X is a much lighter phone. But I would have to say that with a dual screen attachment, it's still pretty heavy, and it's not exactly thin. I mean, for a phone called ThinQ, it's not as thin as I'm hoping it to be, but for the technology, I think this is as thin as we can get it for right now. I also really appreciate that the fact that they match the screens together, so you don't feel like you're looking at 2 different screens. There's more of the seamless factor. Even though there's a seam in the middle, you feel like you're getting the same quality on both. The ASMR feature, I think it's interesting. I don't know if I would actually use it, but it's one of those features that you can say, hey, friend, come here. I want to show you something that this could really impress you. I mean, it's like literally, I think it's just something you bring to the dinner table and say, guys, guess what my phone can do? It can record ASMR. I'm still very fascinated by, I keep saying this word, fascinated, but I am very fascinated by the dual phone market, because I think, again, for the longest time, we thought about bigger screens. We thought about roll-out, foldable screens. But LG, hey, they're really standing their ground with a dual display. In fact, they're adding a third display because they're saying, we listen to our consumers. They think they want a roll-out foldable display, but in fact, they want to multitask on multiple screens in a way that's not a laptop or a tablet. They want something in between. And I do think that the G8X is a great product for people who are on the go all the time, who are multitasking, who could be casual gamers, so you can use it like a gaming mobile, but you know, it's really about the person who is taking their work on the road, who likes to look at their searches, watch their videos on the left side, who want to look at their notifications without opening up their phone. There are just so many use cases for a dual display that I am slowly being sold on it. So LG, thanks for that nice surprise on the refresh of the G8 from Barcelona. Can't wait to see what this phone will look like next year.